Blocking someone on Reddit is a straightforward process that helps you manage your interactions on the platform. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Reddit website or app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Find the user. Navigate to the profile of the user you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username or clicking on their name in a comment or post. Step 3. Access the user menu. Once on the user's profile page, look for the 3 dots or the menu icon typically located near their username or profile picture. Click on this icon to open the user options. Step 4. Select Block User. In the menu that appears, find and select the option that says Block User. This action will prevent the user from interacting with you or seeing your posts and comments. Step 5. Confirm the block. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to block the user. Confirm your decision to finalize the blocking process. By following these steps, you can easily block someone on Reddit and enhance your experience on the platform. If you ever change your mind, you can unblock them by following a similar process.